Sneaker fam, what's good? It's your boy back with another sneaker video. Now, today, we got pair 201 in the LeBron collection. So I was out, I'm dressed like this, I just got back home. I was out doing my ride, knocked out 20 miles. You know, the other day when I was out riding, I caught a cramp. I couldn't finish my ride, so I was like, I can't let this 20 miles this cramp get the best of me. So I just had to go out, finish up, get my 20 miles in, after work, and then back to the crib. So the best thing that could ever happen is while you out on a ride, you get the email notification that, hey, your package has just been delivered. So I was out on the ride, doing my thing, and pack touchdown. So like I said, we got pair 201 in the LeBron collection, and it's definitely a dope pair. Got it for a price that when I saw it, I was like, you know what? I really don't need to be buying nothing at this moment, but for this price, couldn't pass it up. So went ahead and grabbed it. Got shipped off, pretty quick. And it actually got to me quicker than I, expected it. But nonetheless, it's here. So we're going to unbox it together and y'all can see what we got. So we'll start off like this. Got it from eBay. Let's start with the box. See the box. Now this pair right here, I've been looking for it for a while. I'm on my SVSM kick, so it only makes sense that I had to get this one. And I've been seeing it around for a while, but the price was just, I ain't gonna say crazy or astronomical or nothing, but it was definitely more than I wanted to pay. And the condition on a lot of them that I was seeing definitely wasn't worth it. So just what I always do, I'm always online, I'm always searching, I'm always looking. And I just came across these and I was like, I know that ain't right. But it was right. So yeah, here you go. You can see the tag. And this is a Reebok. And no, I don't do Reeboks. So we got the Question Mid. Color is white SAP green and Harvest green, size 13. So as you can tell by the paper, it says Reebok promo sample. And they got them, wrapped up all nice. I know they went through authentication, but finally have it. LeBron Question Mid SVSM in collaboration with Packer Shoes. So like I said, I've been looking for this one for a long time. This shoe came out in 2013. And I was looking for it. But like I said, I just kept seeing them in crazy prices. And I was like, yeah, I'm not going to pay that. I'm not going to pay it. But then when I, was doing my research and looking for them, well, they kind of found me because I wasn't really looking for it. Like I said, I usually do like a generic search. I just put in, LeBron size 13, LeBron size 12 and a half, LeBron size 12. And then I just look through kicks. I mean, you find a lot of trash, but sometimes you'll definitely find some gems. And you can tell from the bottoms on these, definitely haven't been worn a lot. So we'll start with this one. Laces got the eBay tag. This is definitely about to come off of here immediately. We saw somebody out, me and wifey was out the other day. Saw a dude with a pair of cool gray 11s on with the, still had the eBay hang tag on it. And he had a StockX hang tag on it. I'm like, bro, if you don't take that off of there. But, hey, to each his own. So we'll just start with this one. We all know that question. The iconic one with the red toe and the blue toe. But this one was the green toe, for Bron in that SVSM colorway. So you got the green toe box on this one. Come around to the outside. See how it says LJ23 right there. You got the gold around the Reebok sign with the green in the back. It's got the forest green, 100 green, whatever, with the gold Q. It's got the 2 on the back of this one. It's got the 3 on the back of this one. Inside just about the same. Got the green with the gold, around the Reebok symbol. I mean, these is fire. Fire. So I had the original questions, back in the day, but after that I didn't get, any more of them. Because, I was definitely on the Jordan kick. And then when I got off the Jordans, I was on the LeBron kick. So it was like I really wasn't trying to get any other kicks. So I'm a Nike guy through and through. So this is the first. Let me see. Don't let me lie. Got to double check. Yeah, I think this is the first Reebok in a very long time. I don't own any other Reeboks. That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to double check to make sure I'm not lying. But to complete my SVSM journey, this was one that I definitely need to pick up. So the price that I paid for these, a lot of y'all ain't gonna believe it. And if I can, I'll get the clip and I'll try and post the clip just so y'all can see. I paid $109 for these. And then with shipping and fees and everything on eBay, it was $133. So if you're looking for these and you've been trying to find them, you know the prices on these. And the prices on these is way more than that. And these is definitely in great shape. You can see on the insole, yeah, insole come right out. Say promo sample on there. But this was a collaboration with Packer Shoes. So Packer Shoes did these in 2013. And I think they did a Kobe as well. That one is white, with the purple toe box on it. But like I said, in my SVSM journey, this was definitely one that I had to have. And it's going to go perfect in the collection. So I got this Reebok, and I also have the Adidas T-Mac Brown SVSM. So these is the only two non-Nike shoes, I think I want to say, that I have. Because I'm a Nike guy through and through. I ain't even going to cap. Definitely got a lot of Nikes, but these are definitely the only two non-Nike shoes that I have. But like I said, this was definitely a no-brainer. I had to have these. And to get them for that price, like I always say, like, you can have a list. These weren't even on my list. It was just going through, everything that I was seeing. And these just popped up for $109. And like I said, I'm going to try and post that picture up there so people can see it. Because everybody gonna be like, oh man, you didn't pay $109, you be lying. Hey, patience is a virtue. Take your time, stuff will definitely fall in your lap. And these fell in my lap. Like I said, I wasn't even in the spot where I was trying to like buy kicks. I was kind of like on, not really like a little break, but I mean, buying something wasn't really like on my bingo card for that day, I should say. But like I said, 109, I'd have been crazy to pass these up in a box. They came with the box, which we're going to get rid of the box because, we do drop fronts around here. But yeah, these are fire. What y'all think? Comment down below what y'all think about the SVSM question. LeBron, yeah, I'm ready to rock these. I got to give me something. But like I said, I'm not one of the ones, I don't do cross brands, so I can't wear a Reebok with this or Reebok with this. So I'm definitely going to find something, some kind of graphic tee or something so I can rock these, because these is definitely getting worn. But first things first, this hang tag coming off. But yeah, just want to do a quick unboxing with y'all. Like I said, I was out on my bike, got the notification that these had came. So I was like, man, let me get home. I ain't even took a shower yet. I still got to shave my head, do everything. But I was like, let me go ahead and knock this video out. I'm going to try and get this up ASAP. Because this is definitely something that, with the SVSM collection, these definitely, deserve some shine. So I had to knock the video out for these real quick. So comment down below what pair you think I should get in the next in the SVSM line. I'm thinking of grabbing a 5 or, whatever else. I don't know. I think the 5 is going to be because I've seen it and I know where a pair is at. And I could go grab them, at a decent price. So I think the 5 is going to be the next one that I get. But like I said, it's got to be calculated and I got to get it, when I get it. But the 5 is definitely going to be next. I have the question. I got the T-Mac. I got the 19. I got the SVSM 4, the 3, and the Zoom Generation. And like I said, I want to add the 5 next. So trying to build this SVSM collection up. And this right here is definitely a piece that's going to stand out. Had to have it. It's definitely a good solid piece, to add to the collection. And comment down below if you got, what I'm saying, if you ever seen, just let me know. Talk to me about this, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. Do y'all think I had to have this, or do you think it was the one that, I could have sat and waited for, or it was definitely a piece that I needed to add to the collection? Just holler at me and let me know. And like I said, just appreciate y'all for still rocking with me. It's definitely going to have sneaker content on here, but, I always say it in every video, don't get discouraged if you see some other stuff, because, it's just a little bit of everything. But sneakers is first and foremost. On the way to the 5, trying to get the 5. Like I said, pair of 201 in the Bron collection. And we're steady adding. And I would definitely catch y'all in the next one. Thank y'all for rocking with me. And I'll get at y'all.